The Witch in the Woods. There is a witch. She lives in the woods. Her house is very small and old. It is in the middle of the forest. Nobody goes there. People are scared. The witch is very ugly. Her nose is long and crooked. She has a big pointed hat on her head. It is black. Her dress is old and dirty. She looks scary. Every day, the witch sits on a small stool. She has a big black pot. The pot is very big. She stirs the pot with a long wooden spoon. She puts wood on the fire. The fire is very hot. The pot bubbles and makes strange sounds. The witch has a black cat. The cat sits on her lap. The cat has green eyes. The cat is her friend. She also has a broomstick. The broomstick stands by the wall. At night, the witch flies on her broomstick. Inside the house, there are many strange things. On the walls, there are hats with wings. In jars, there are rats, beetles, frogs, and worms. These things are creepy. The witch uses them for her spells. What does the witch make in her pot? Nobody knows. She whispers magic words. She says the spells very quietly. She never tells anyone her secrets. She puts all the creepy things into the pot. She stirs and stirs all day and all night. The witch makes magic potions. Some people say she is bad. Some people say she catches children. They say the children go into the big pot. But nobody knows if this is true. Nobody ever comes back from her house. One day, a little boy named Tom walks in the woods. He loses his way. He walks and walks. Then he sees smoke. He follows the smoke. He comes to the witch's house. Tom is scared. His hands shake. His legs shake. He hears strange sounds from inside. He sees the big black pot through the window. He sees the witch stirring her pot. The cat looks at Tom. The cat meows loudly. The witch turns around. She sees Tom. Tom runs. He runs very fast. He runs and runs. He doesn't stop. Finally, he finds the road. He goes home. Tom tells his sister about the witch. His sister says, "You are lucky. You escaped." Tom says, "I am very brave, but I never want to meet that witch again." Now the witch is just a story. Tom reads about witches in his sister's fairy book. He is happy the real witch is far away in the woods. He is safe at home. The witch is still there. She still stirs her pot. She still whispers her spells. She still lives in the middle of the dark woods. And nobody visits her. Now let's learn new words. Witch, witch, witch. Woods, woods, woods. Forest, forest, forest. Stool, stool, stool. Pot, pot, pot. Stirs, stirs, stirs. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Fire, fire, fire. Hat, hat, hat. Dress, dress, dress. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Scary, scary, scary. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Broomstick, broomstick, broomstick. Flies, flies, flies. Lap, lap, lap. Jars, jars, jars. Rats, rats, rats. Beetles, beetles, beetles. Frogs, frogs, frogs. Worms, Worms. Worms. Great job, everyone! Today you learned 20 new English words from the Witch story. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Practice these words every day and your English will improve. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English stories and lessons. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep learning. Goodbye.